be baking this Pixar cookie kit. In a mixing bowl, add melted butter and egg to cookie mix. Stir until well combined. Add the melted butter. Do you want to put it in here?
Yes.
Hold on, in there. Pour it in. It's okay. I already got it. Hold on. Good job. Good job. Make sure we got it all in there. Yeah? Okay, now we are going to put the egg in, okay? You gonna do the egg? Okay, yes. We're gonna crack it on the side.
Yes!
Okay. Can I stir it? You gonna stir it? Stir it. Good job. Hold it. Okay. Stir it in there. All done. Oven time. Yay! Yay! You don't want to do it? You want me to do it? Pour it in. Is it good?
Yeah.
Our cookies just got done. This is what they look like. Can you put sprinkles on this one? Here you go. You want this one? Here you go. Eat your cookie.